Hey, it's Rob from the Door Maker. Today we're going to talk peel coats. Most of our PVC films are delivered with a peel coat on them, similar to what you'd see on brand new appliances. This covering is typically found on our matte and high gloss colors. Basically, it protects the door during manufacturing, shipping, and installation. So once your cabinet doors have been installed, gently pick at a corner until it peels back. Sometimes it takes a bit to get it going. You want to peel off the coating entirely. Now that you've got the peel coat off, you can see the vast difference in the material and the detail. And that's it. That's how you take off your peel coat.